Work gloves are like boots for your hands, and I rarely work without them. Today I'll be sharing my three main work gloves, and I'll tell you why I chose these particular ones. And first off, we're going to start with your general use work gloves. These are the ones you're going to find at the store mainly, and they're normally coated with some kind of latex, polyurethane, and nylon. And I love these because they allow me more dexterity. They are also thin enough to grip most items without feeling too awkward or losing too much sensation on the fingertips. I can pretty much get my hands in the dirt, and compared to thicker gloves. The next one is the leather work gloves, and these come in handy when it comes to dealing with thorny plants such as blackberry and roses, or if you want a bit more extra protection. There's one drawback compared to general purpose gloves. They restrict hand movement. They're also a bit clumsy when you're trying to pick up smaller objects such as screws. Besides that, they're a must for most gardeners. And the last one on the list, one of my favorite, is the rubberized type work glove, which I personally use when operating machinery for extended periods of time. You know, machinery is like weed whackers or lawnmowers. The extra rubber like material absorbs a significant amount of vibration. The rubber material also adds a little bit of extra grip. Like the leather gloves, however, the padding will result in you losing a bit of dexterity and sensation. However, it's well worth the trade-off if you want to protect your hands from excessive vibration. Another drawback of these types of gloves is that they do not offer much protection from sharp objects, and they tend to wear out a bit faster if you use them for general purpose. So this one's a little bit shredded because I decided to use it for other different things. But yeah, these are my main type of work gloves, and I think these might work for overall purposes. So I hope this video was able to help you figure out which one is right for you. Until next time.